Jai Srimannarayana. 13th sloka of 8th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Om iti ekaksharam brahma vyaharan mam anusmaran yah prayati tyajan deham sayati paramam gatim. Om. Keep uttering, chanting the divine syllable Om. Om is the indicator. Sri Krishna Paramatma is the indicated. Only Sri Krishna Paramatma is supposed to be profoundly and humbly meditated upon while chanting Om. According to authoritative acharyas, Om supposed to be chanted like this. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma asking you to surrender. Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall chant the divine syllable Om while meditating upon you. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall chant Om according to our great authoritative acharyas like Om. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 62nd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Nandavraja is filled up with so much of decoration, and Nanda Maharaju having great Brahmanas, he has done Swasti Vachanam. He did Jatakarma to his son. He worshipped Pitru Devatas and other Devatas. After that, Nanda Maharaju Dhenunam Niyute Pradat Viprebhyaha Samalankrute. He gave charity of 20 lakhs of cows to all the Brahmanas, and those cows were decorated with so many beautiful garments and ornaments. He also gave food to Brahmanas. He also gave gold and other vastras to Brahmanas. Ho Parikshin Narendra, Kalena Snana Sauchabhyam Samskaraihi Tapasa Ijyaya Sudhyanti Danaihi Santushtya Dravyani Atma Vidyaya. By the time this bhumi will get purified, by doing snanam, the body will get sanctified. By cleaning, all the things will be cleaned. And by having a samskaram, the birth will be purified. And by having control over organs, the organs will be purified. By using the things in puja and by giving charity to the Brahmanas, things will be purified. By keeping mind always happy, the mind will be sanctified. By having Krishna Bhakti, Atma will be sanctified. Ho Parikshin Narendra, Inna Nanda Vrajam Vrepalle Dundu Bhulumorase Gayaka Sandohamupade Suta Samudaya Mulato Vandi Janulu Kirtinchiri. All the Brahmanas doing Veda Asirvachanam, and singers are singing beautiful songs, and there are so many divine sounds and instruments are being played in that Nanda Vrajam on occasion of the birth of son to Nanda Maharaju. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 8th chapter 13th sloka. Vomityekaksharam Brahma Vyaharan Mamanusmaran Yah Prayati Tyajan Deham Sayati Paramam Gatim. Vomityekaksharam Brahma Vyaharan Mamanusmaran Yah Prayati Tyajan Deham Sayati Paramam Gatim. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.